Hey everybody, it's your old pal Wood Doofus here. I was cleaning up the shop today between projects and I wanted to check on my air filter. Now this is the system I use to manage the dust cleanup and everything. I don't have any other kind of filter right now in my shop, so I got to make sure that this thing stays good. Now these filters cost like $40, but you don't have to replace them every time they get clogged. You can clean them out with an air compressor or something like that, which is usually what I do. Now the only issue is it's very messy and dusty, so I got to put on a mask and go outside and stretch my air compressor hose all the way out there. So it's a big mess. So I wanted to try something new that I could do inside the shop without a mask on. I'm gonna see if it works. All right, so like I said before, I usually use this air compressor and I spray it out and it kicks up all kinds of dust, and I usually do it outside. It makes a huge mess. Now the only thing I added to my system is this clear plastic trash bag. I can use this for recycling or something, but I wanted it to be clear because I want to be able to see what's going on inside there, because what I want to do is put this thing in here, close it around my arm with my air compressor, and try to clean it out in the bag without making a huge mess. So we'll see if that works. So I have some notes. Maybe you do too. If you have a lot of mean things to say, put them down in the comments section so you can help the algorithm. So yeah, if you put compressed air into a plastic bag, it has to come out. I knew that the second I picked it up, but I thought it'd be funny if I just kept doing that. And the whole shop filled with dust, and I had to immediately open the garage door. I got this much dust off of there before I quit though. That's like the size of most of my fist. So yeah, I think you can put it in a bag and like shake it and beat it out, which might prevent some of the dust from coming out. But compressed air, it's not gonna do any good. So yeah, I took it outside and made a big mess like I always do. Anyway, as always, don't be afraid to be a doofus.